Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me in relation to a video I made about. Be careful with the alternator pulley because the bearings are starting to rattle. Someone has asked who has a problem with the alternator of his car. In less than a year, he has changed two pulleys because both have been damaged, and finally he has installed a new alternator, and the pulley has also been damaged, this alternator, and ask where the problem could come from. Let's see. I have seen that someone has answered that indeed, this problem usually comes from the alternator belt tensioner. Indeed, if it fails, if you have this problem that fails in such a short time, you have to check that tensioner, because if the tensioner is bad, it will damage the alternator pulley. On some occasions, we have also found that it was due to the crankshaft pulley, which was damaged, and on some other occasion also, customers who have changed the alternator belt themselves. And when purchasing the belt, it turns out that they had bought a slightly shorter belt, and they had pressed it in there. And in the end, they had problems, not only with the alternator pulley, but they also damaged the tensioners. And if it is so tight, it also damages the crankshaft pulley. As I said, that is where the problems usually come from. If it fails because it has more than 200,000 kilometers, for example, the alternator pulley, it could simply be because of that, because of time. But if when changing the pulley, it turns out that after a short time it starts to fail, then you have to look to see if the problem comes from that tensioner. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.